What it? Oh, that guy, he's so bloody chuffed.
Yeah. So what's the recording for then?
For a model.
Oh.
Yeah, they put sound in model.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Because I thought the way he was filming as well, I thought he was doing
No, he just uses the video as a tape.
Oh, right.
Doesn't actually take film. Although I think he did record it going up the hill.
Yeah. Like what I'm doing now.
Yeah.
Is there any more news on the bridges now?
No, not yet. I haven't heard anything if there is.
Yeah, I said interesting email off EWS yesterday.
Oh, alright.
408 something for disposal.
No, 8 to be lovely.
No, 408.
Oh, 408.
37. I guess
408. Loch
Rannoch.
Crocker.
Loch Rannoch.
Was it?
Yeah. And Loch Lodge up for sale as well.